Hello everybody, I'm Aldo D'Ambrosio. I'm a battery segment leader in Comau, working in the strategic marketing and solution development. Comau is here at the battery show in Stuttgart for the very first time to promote our know-how and our solution for cell manufacturing. My objective here is to present our potential exactly on that, so on the battery cell manufacturing. Cell formation is our focus. We have invested our key resources, and that allows us to be able to cover at the giga-scale level whatever is required in customer receipt, from soaking to grading, as I said before, at giga-scale level. Our commitment here is to drive the transition toward electrification, and we look at the European market really as an opportunity when we can put at the disposal of the community our competence in 50 years of industrial automation expertise. We strongly believe that there are many leverage points in which we can push on our solutions, and those could be CapEx and OpEx, but we would go beyond proposing to our audience and potential customer other aspect that includes and hugely interact with the above mentioned points that are digitalization and sustainability. Digitalization because allows to us to apply the application of smart solutions that allows to the customer to reduce energy consumptions on processes like cell formation, where energy consumption effectively is key to be get apart and managed in the proper way. Beside that, we have the sustainability that is, in the end, will become the winner, because one implementing smart processes, we will be able, through our monitoring and the reaction system, to reduce scraps, reduce energy consumption, and finally also reducing floor space. And this is only a small piece of what Comau can supply. So thanks you, and see you at the booth.